morning. We're back out. Had a bit of a bimble this morning. It's forecast to be dry this morning and into early afternoon, so I'm just out and about. Hopefully it will stay dry. So it did put a lot of rain down last night on the off-road sections and the roads, puddles and mud everywhere, so it's going to be a bit of a wet fest. So. But for now it's dry. Yes, I am hoping to be out for a good few hours, so I've brought some lunch with us and that. I can make a brew as long as the weather plays ball, that is. But yeah, this weather lately has been pretty dire. Wind and rain. Must be like a record stuck, that's all they seem to say when I come out. And then we get the odd day of brightness like today. So you've just got to make the most of it. Thankfully I'm off for a couple of days, so midweek I'm out. And I've raised my seat, because last time I think I had it too low. After I resprayed it, I didn't put it back to its correct height. I was getting a bit of knee trouble, so I've upped it. It's probably about an inch too low, so hopefully, fingers crossed, so far all is good. It looks like we're heading into quite a bit of cloud this side, but hopefully I'm going to go so far and then I'm going to be heading east, so hopefully that pushes further north. I think it is. If that's the case, we'll be fine. The off-road section, this could be a bit of a mud fest. Yeah. NCN 7. A muddy one. Yes, slippy. Just take my time. This first section is usually the wettest section. Right, back on the road, so we've cleared that wet section and the sun is still shining, which is beautiful. It's quite nice to feel a little bit of sun on your back. It's been that long. Yeah, it's good to get off them A roads. I like to do about 2-3 miles on an A road. It wasn't a massively busy one, but you get a few Arctics gone by and it's a bit nervy when they rattle past. Just hope that they've seen you. But yeah, we're back on NCN 10 now, so we're heading east. I have got a little bit of a plan. Let's head east as far, possibly Haltwhistle. We'll see. And get the train back. Yeah, the signs are pretty poor now. Could do with being upgraded because they're all faded. Got an escapee. Where you gone, you barn pot? Get back in your field. You don't know which field you're from, do you? Yep, that one. Go on. Yep, then you're back in. Just stop for 5. I think I'll take this top layer off because I'm getting a bit warm. And we're climbing now, steadily climbing for a good, probably maybe 5-10 miles before we start leveling off again. So yeah, let's lose the jacket. Yeah, all the signage is all faded and could do with being replaced and replenished. Another storm casualty by look. Or maybe previous storms. Got a left turn here. NCN 10. Looks like they've had a new bridge since the last time I was here. And cleaned out all the debris. I think this was all locked up, if I remember rightly. Yeah, we're steadily plodding away. Probably done about 18 or 19 miles, so I'm going to look for somewhere for a bite to eat. 5 to 11, just feeling a bit peckish. Yeah, it's all bubbled up as the cloud. I was hoping for blue skies till at least midday, but yeah, it's gone. Right, onwards. Right, I could go straight on, but I think I'll go right, head towards Banks, and then head up onto the Roman wall that way, and then you pick this road back up again a bit further along. But yeah, let's push on. Alright, let's just climb up towards Banks, and it's a slog, if anyone knows it. Camping at Banks, must be down there, or up here. Here we are, Banks. We're going to follow it along now. No, the other way, that way, towards Bird Oswald. Here we are. Some parts of the Roman wall. Probably a turret there. Banks turret, that's what it was. Yeah, you got cold fell in the gloom and the rain. We'll come back to that section there. But yeah, we'll push on. Yeah, unfortunately the rain set in. It's just light at the moment, but yeah, I was hoping it would stay drier a lot longer, but there you go, it is what it is. We'll push on. So I'm just going to push on towards Haltwhistle, get the train back, because that's a shorter option than heading back home from here. Alright, so there's quite a few of these turrets along the route. This is what it would have looked like, they reckon. Yeah, so it's quite high. You got the ramparts there, guard below, watchtower. Yeah, pretty impressive in the day. Yep, continue. NCN 72. Plenty of the wall along this section towards Bird Oswald. And obviously this time of year it's quiet. It's not usually teeming with tourists. But yeah, on a cold, dark, overcast February day, it's pretty quiet. Yep, that's the path you would follow. If you're following the course of the wall. just stopped for a latte and a slice of cake, refuel. But the rain's eased off now, so it would. Rainbow. A right turn for us. So our next port of call is Gilsland, a mile or so. The Irving Gorge down there, River Irving, through the gap there. A69 just up on top of that hill up there, well away from us. Right, so we're leaving Cumbria. Welcome to Northumberland. The village is split in two, one half in Cumbria, one half in Northumbria. Or should I say Cumberland now, as they have renamed it. The village pub, they're trying to get reopened. It's been shut for a little while now, but they're doing a fundraiser, I think, to try and get it back open. Yeah, you got Walltown Crags in the distance. This camera won't pick it out though, but we'll be heading not far off there in a minute. Okay, we come off road now, head towards Longbyre here, cross over the railway and pick up a track, which is an off-road route past Wall Castle. See what state this is in. I think some of it is tarmac, greenhead and tea rooms, but thankfully we've had a brew and a bite to eat. Yeah, so a nice little tarmac off-road route. I'm not sure if it's tarmac all the way. Would be nice, I think so, wouldn't it? It just gets you off that road. It's not a busy road, it's a B road, but it's a thoroughfare between Greenhead and Gilsland, so, and the A69 towards there. Yeah, there's a castle there. Tea room, but we've been fed and watered. And this is the horrible climb out of Greenhead. We're off road, so we're not on the road, which is good. It's nice, isn't it? What a view. But yeah, very steep all the way up, and then we drop into Haltwhistle, hopefully. Oh yes, this is us. Bloody steep though. At least it's off road, eh? Oh my word, I need two hands on the bars. There's a little flat bit here and then another big climb up. Oh dear. God. We're on about 29.5 miles, so we're doing good. Just steady away. Alright, I've got off. Had the stone, I burned myself completely out. Hadrian's Wall, Roman Army Museum and Walltown Crags. 550 yards. But yeah, Tyne Valley below us. God, that was a climb. Right. Let's keep going. Oh, well, at least the rain has stopped, eh? That's gone away. It's not too bad. And I can see the top of the hill, I think. Unless it's a false summit, we'll soon find out. 2.5 miles of Haltwhistle. You've got Walltown Crags over there. You see, you know, there's some quite high peaks there. But we are now off-roading a bit of gravel, and then where that lorry is, I think we pick up that road that puts you down to Haltwhistle, so all is good. Yep, that's my train ticket, booked £4.40, 1:15. It's now 25 to 1, so it gives us plenty of time to get down there and have a bit ratch about. Okay, onward. Yep, it's not too bad this. Seen a lot worse. So the military road continues to our left up that way. We're dropping down into Haltwhistle now. Get the train back. Right, we've arrived in Haltwhistle. Some main streets down here. Greenhead 3, Gilsland 5, that's where I've come from. Pennine Cycleway, Lamley, Alston. And then, yeah, onwards if you're carrying on with the Hadrian Cycleway. That way. You've got a co-op if you need to fill up on supplies. Across the road there. Haltwhistle, the centre of Britain. Off Orkney 290 miles, Bowness on Solway 36.5, Walls End 36.5, so this is halfway for the Hadrian's Wall route by the look. Yeah, so everything is the centre of Britain, hotel and restaurant. Yeah, taking it quite serious, eh? Right, let's find somewhere for a coffee. Right, that's us done. Ready to get the train back home to Carlisle. About 33 miles all told. I've stopped for a coffee in Haltwhistle and another cake. Fueled by coffee and cake. Yeah, so thanks for joining us on this sort of part route of the Hadrian Cycleway, which I hope to complete fully. I'll do the full route again in the better weather, along with the Reivers route. Definitely going to get ticked off this year. I know I said it last year, but they are definitely on the list, you know, proper to get done. But yeah, it was a decent day. I stopped for a coffee at Bid Oswald, got to see bits of the Roman wall. You know, it's just a nice route. This time of year it's quite quiet as well, because zero tourists really, one or two, but not too bad. But if you like what you see, just a small channel, just give us a subscribe, a thumbs up, whatever. It is free. Leave a comment if you want. Thanks for watching. See you out sometime soon.